guys. I would like to introduce you about how to create the action using the Appsheet. First, I would like to make a database on the Appsheet by use the Google Drive, the Google Sheets. Okay, let's see the back end. First table. I gonna make the book table, which is the column here. Okay, and the second table is borrow, which is consists of the column here. Okay, now let's navigate to the app sheet. Okay, I have already created the application and link the table to the app sheet already. So first, let's go to the book table data and then have a look for the types of data. For the book ID, make sure its type is text, as well as for the initial value would be the unique. For the book title, text, book image, and book author text. Change the book's data to the enum, and then you add the value for the first one would be available. And the second one would be borrow. Okay, you click done, you save it. Now you go to the borrow table, borrow ID text and also the key as well. Go to this initial value should be unique. Follow on book ID, you change it to the friend and then you shoot the book table. For the begin date is date, end date is date, and date return is date, also date. But initial value should be empty, this one. You make save it. For the borrow status for tracking the book when somebody borrow the books or when somebody return the book, so you change it to like enum scale and then add it to be return and borrow. Okay, you make save it. Okay, try to see this. Just add some data to the book table. For the book table, it should be like you should is true available. Click save. Okay, you add another book. Okay. Now we will go to the command action. On book table, you click add action and then you create new action for book. You change it to change book status to available. And then for a record of the table should be book. Okay. For this one, you set the value of some column. Now set this column to change it to book status. And then here you just hit available. Okay. Save. And then you just the position to be the prominent or inline or high. For this one, just leave it at the prominent first. Okay, and then when you make save it. Okay, you will see the action here for book available. So you will see book status here. Okay, now we just create the second action. We change it to, which is the name of this action to borrows. Okay. For do this, you change it to book status and then choose it to borrow. You save it. Okay, I will show you here. Available. I will try to test the action by hit the action button in the UX view. Okay. Okay, I choose this one to borrow. Okay, let's see it. Okay, it changed it to borrow. And the second one, change it to borrow. Okay, you see both of them are borrowed status. If you click it here to check available, return is also available. Okay, let's go back. Okay, it changed the book status to be available as well. Okay, this is how we create the action and learn about the action in the Appsheet. So I hope you will know how to use the action for this tutorial. If you have any comment or any suggestion, feel free to add your comment and your suggestion in the comments below the video clip. Thank you for your watching. See you later.